believe I really said
I am not
here.
leaving her.
And I can't believe you're
not
coming here.
leaving
and you're
her.
encouraging the little girl into this foolishness.
I didn't encourage her to do any of this. George is an adult, and if this is what she wants, she's within her right to make her own decision.
1 week out of a coma, you really think she's in the frame of mind to be making any kind of decision?
Listen, my goddaughter asked for my help, and I'm just doing what I can do to assist her. So don't put me in the middle of it.
You're already in there, and I can't believe you could be so spiteful. Come in here and I try and inveigle the little girl to come out her own yard.
When a child no longer feels safe around a parent, that's not something that I can overlook.
And where is she going to be safe? In Samantha? With you? In that ghetto?
Well, at least in my ghetto, me no know no matter where I try to kill them one bikini.
It's sweetie. Ain't not enough for you walk around and tell people say me's a liar and say me corrupt. You want to add murder to it as well? Yes, Samantha, I am a perfect specimen of immorality.
Look, you need to keep your voice down.
You can't tell me I've been talking on me one house. From you put your foot through that door, I should have called the police and make them arrest you for trespassing.
Police! I don't believe you said that word. I figure that prison would be more up your street.
No, man, no. It don't sound good. I can hear it all the way from out the gate.
Upon the excitement you call them for me, I know them some of them can't, but you want to hear them.
Valerie,
leaving her.
Why you have your sick daughter sitting out the road?
I think Samantha would be the best person to answer that question.
No, dear. It's not Samantha's daughter. She's your responsibility. No one will get her. I never expect to see you up here, Samantha. From what I get, you don't frequent this address anymore. Yet, see you here. Hopping at the woman house while I was sick picnic sitting out the road.
I'm sure you didn't get the full story.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Well, all right. What am I missing?
She's not who you think she is. Valerie up here pretending to be all righteous when she and her husband...
Hold it. Is something she tell you in confidence you're about to tell me?
Well, yes. And if you're going to understand, you need to know...
I don't need to know because I'm not married to him. What I do know is that from she and God working it out, and everything is all right between them, nobody have a right to say a word against her. And if anybody who is not who them supposed to be right now, that person would be you. Look how far the town has come from. As a matter of fact, it don't matter if I yesterday don't meet. When you're supposed to be a family through God. And when she needed the most, Samantha is not supposed to turn your back on her. You're wrong.
I am wrong?
You're wrong.
I am wrong?
And a little other year into.
I have to wonder, is this about me and Valerie, or does this have something to do with me not responding favorably to your advances?
Advances? When was I advancing on you for you to respond?
Oh, come on, Deacon. A couple weeks ago at prayer meeting.
But you see me then, child. So you don't know, say, it's not every time a man show concern for you, his argument him looking. Especially in the church. There's a reason why we greet each other as brother and sister. Warm to you. You mad?
So you're saying that you're not interested
And it's a good thing. Because I couldn't deal with your heartiness for long. No wonder people out the road have so much things to say about church people. Because people like, oh no, in the flock I give them ammunition.
Deacon, I'm so
You're
embarrassed.
too quick to rush to judgment. Just be careful people don't judge you the same way. I'm going to leave it as a simple misunderstanding. I can't be so harsh with you as you seem to be with everybody else. You know what? I go and check Panval with them. You said God gave the gift of counseling? Now is a good time to show him that it's not a wasted investment.
You're still so weak. Why are you trying to walk around by yourself, man?
I can't just get my stuff without the drama, please.
Baby, why you never make me come and get you at the hospital? I make some soup. Chicken soup, your favorite. Let me get you a bowl.
Auntie Sam, can we go, please?
George, how much times I must tell you, say I'm sorry? How much time I must tell you, say I never mean to hurt you?
How many times I must tell you, say, I don't care. I don't care. You don't mean any of it, because I know you don't lift a finger for help, Daddy.
No, but I will, baby, I will. George, you just come home and the two of us fix it together now, please.
Valerie, I don't want to be in any discussion with you. I can't carry that bag.
No. There's no need to be disrespectful.
So you're defending her?
I'm defending what is right. And no matter what is going on between you two, there's absolutely no reason for you to be rude.
So the two of you gang up on me now. You know what? Maybe I should just rent somewhere on my own.
Yeah, maybe you should. Maybe you should. I agreed for you to stay at my house because you said you were afraid to live here. But the way you're speaking to your mother, that's not fair. That's insolent. And I will not support you being rude.
Sam.
Val, ever since this Pitney Barn, everything in your life has been about her. Making sure she's all right. Making sure she gets every single thing her heart desire. You don't give up your life for this bikini. So if you try to murder, that means she give you just cause.
Thanks for the ride from the hospital.
And you're welcome. Out of order, ferocious. Girl, you smell your arm and think a charm. Stop. Out of order. You try come down from over the high throne where the pan and hear me say, in the name of Jesus. Father, come down in the midst, I beg of thee. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God.
never really try for murder her still, you know. But if I ever need a lawyer, I know what can call.
Well, since heaven found me as DPP, but I really use the work.
I miss you, my friend. You lose the
Joe Valerie, man. Well, I don't know what got into me.
No, Sam, just make it pass. Make it pass.
Well,
I can't tell you if it was me, I wouldn't do the same thing.
well, I know I haven't been much of a friend lately, and there's absolutely no reason for you to trust me. But see if you ever need a shoulder.
Just one? The amount of problem I have, I could have used it two of them right now.
Me miss you. So tell me something. Where we go from here now?
Downtown.
Downtown?
There's a lawyer down there that I need to go and see.
You sure you want to do this today?
No, Samantha, but this thing will go on long enough. Somebody have to put her into it.
Val, even if this doesn't turn out the way you're expecting it
Me
to.
know. Just have to go trust in God.
Yeah. So we turn up your weight pan. Come no dear.
Me have on me armor. Let's go. Georgia, look at what you do to the place. You're getting mad?
Georgia?
Where them is, mommy? What? Where them is? What? Please tell me that after everything you still never drive the final nail in a daddy couple.
Georgia, if you calm down, then I can explain everything to you. And I can...
You do it! And I came back to you with your sanctimonious foolishness conviction.
Georgie, just calm down now. Your mother made a decision that was right. Just let her speak.
I'm going dead in there!
Georgie.
Just calm down.
Mommy, I had the money to help him, but you just destroyed me!
Georgie, just calm down. No.
Oh, I'm going to stop him from dying in prison.
If you let me explain to you, Georgie, just...
Him trust me with him life, I'm gonna let him down. I let him down.
Georgie, just relax and not...
Georgie, your father should have never placed such responsibility on you.
I can't live without my
You
father.
cannot take the blame for his actions, Georgie.
Georgie, just...
I prefer dead than be without him.
Georgia, what you doing? Georgia!
Valerie, stop! Jesus Christ. Calm down, no. Calm down. Well, calm down, let me deal with it. Just calm down. Georgie, baby, just put on the knife and let us talk about this, please. Georgie, listen to Auntie Sam. Please.
No. I don't come any closer.
Georgie!
Valerie.
Georgie, not do this!
Valerie.
Georgie, may I beg you? Georgie, I pray every day for God bring you back to me. Not do this, Georgie, not do this, man.
I beg you, mommy. I beg you. You know how much daddy means to me. I mean, I must stop until you break my heart. Why, woman? Why? Well, I hope now you'll finally be happy.
No, Georgie, no! Valerie, no! Valerie, stop! Georgie!
Georgia, please! Georgia, I know you're angry. Because everything in your life we're living for don't seem to exist anymore. I'm your mother and I feel you. Because I couldn't protect you from this evil and from this hurt in your soul. George, if anybody have to bear the consequences, let it be.
Marina! No, Marina!
Stop being afraid! If this little girl go and kill me, that's it, I should not go and dead in here. Georgia. Every breath what God blowing on my body is for you. Me give up everything. Because I prefer to sleep on the sidewalk. Don't you know say I hear upon your body come to harm. Georgie, I'm sorry I couldn't help you when you was hurting. I'm sorry. So in my anger, I hurt you. Georgie, I'm sorry so I couldn't be a stronger wife to your father. Help him to say what is right from what is wrong. But Georgie, I'm so sorry that even if you hate me, Georgia, I do what was best for you. And I do sorry that God bless me with your wonderful spirit. And I do sorry that Georgia, there's nothing that you can do to stop me from loving you from the depths of my soul. And if you have to go kill me to get this hate out of your heart, then Georgia, I don't care about the dead, but you have to let it go. You have to let it go.
Mommy! Hurry up, no, Mommy! Why you taking so long? The rate you're going to miss the flight.
Lord Georgia, make sure to check you guys in online so you still have a couple of minutes to spare. So don't worry.
No, Sister Sam.
What?
Don't tell them so.
God, man.
I'm not going to make police take from my car for speeding. 50 miles an hour I drive and I'm not changing that for nobody.
He can.
Lord have mercy. I put the passport in my bag overnight so that I don't forget it and then I forget says in there I put it.
Me understand. It's the excitement of seeing your husband. What is happening to you?
Samantha,
Eh?
no bother kill off yourself, you know, when me and Georgia come back next week, we can help you pack up some of the things then.
Don't worry.
We still have another month before we have to come out of here.
Valerie. Don't worry yourself, man. Besides, Deacon promised to give me a hand, you know.
Deacon?
Oh?
Eh?
Look. Nobody start it again. Besides, it's not every time that a man shows concern or tries to be helpful. His argument in looking, especially in the church. There's a reason why we meet and greet each other as brothers and sisters.
Yes. But there's a reason why some of us meet and greet each other as husband and wife.
Odd man, Deacon not interested.
What I'm not interested in?
changing the way you greet each other in church.
It's good to see you smiling despite everything.
Oh, God.
Oh, Lord, Deacon. We have to give up the house and the car then, but I still have good friends. And most importantly, I get my family back. I have a lot to be grateful for.
You mean we have a lot to be grateful for, Mom?
Starting from scratch is not easy, you know. Especially when you're used to all of this.
Ask Deacon with the poor before and it never kill we. Now go kill we the second time round. And 5 years time when Carlton free, it's gonna be even better. But this time, we have to make sure so we do it God's way.
Well, let me be the first to officially welcome you back to the ghetto.
The ghetto? So, Sister Sam, I never know that a stush lady like you could still live in the ghetto.
Well, Deacon, there's a lot of things about me you don't know.
Okay, then.
Well, I'll be more than happy to provide the information.
No, come on, no, stop. No,